Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV, and my daughter wants to tell us about her evening of cleaning a Ram 2500 truck.
The soap I use to clean the truck is the Chemical Guys soap.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I didn't use the McGuire's.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So to like redo the black finish, I used this by the Chemical Guys.
Chemical
again.
Guys, okay. Matte finish.
Yeah, and it really helps like brighten up the black again because I was noticing it's fading.
Okay.
So I waxed the water stains out with the McGuire's Fine Cut Cleaner. And I think it really made a big difference. And I added the sticker for my tune up there. And then for the interior, I had the bottle right here, but now it's missing. The Hyper Dressing Detailer. And I think it makes a huge difference because my interior looks brand new. McGuire's, or yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay.
And I went over the whole truck.
Let's see the interior.
Okay. I think it looks really good. I did vacuuming as well. And I cleaned all the windows with glass cleaner. I did tire shine. I cleaned the wheels. And I just think it looks really nice. There are some areas that I would go back over in the front, but I think it looks really good overall. And I cleaned the pipe out with some water and soap. So.
Do you feel good about it?
Yeah, I think it looks really nice. There's some water spots on the back window though. I don't know how to get rid of that though.
Well, the McGuire's Fine Cleaner Man.
Well, I don't know. But, I did clean it with glass cleaner, so. And
Okay.
I cleaned all the door jambs, and I cleaned the mirrors.
How's the back look?
What do you mean?
The back of the truck and the back interior.
I cleaned it. I vacuumed it. It looks really nice.
Okay. All right. The truck looks beautiful.
Yeah, I did everything.
How many hours did you spend on it?
Well, I started at 4:30, and I finished, I think, at like 7:55. So, I spent a while, but it was really dirty, and I spent a lot of time going back over it.
Okay.
So,
Looks great. Now, the next question is, you got a beautiful F450.
yeah, I know. And I have a Mustang.
Yeah, when does that one get detailed?
Well, I really enjoyed cleaning the Ram, so maybe I would do it tomorrow.
So if you had to make
And
a choice,
I'd probably choose the F450 and I would straight pipe it. But the only thing is, that's only because of the amount of hours that are on my Ram. They're miles, 86,000. So the F450 would, like, go longer in the long run. They're less miles. It's only at, like, 8,000.
Really? So that's the only reason you'd make the difference?
Okay. The truck is straight piped. That truck is not.
Yeah, this truck Hero, this truck will go a long time.
I know, but that's really the only thing that I could make a decision.
Really, really? So you would give up this for that
both
450? Wow.
No, I'm just saying,
Wow.
I
Okay.
love this because it has the mega cab. I can fit a ton of stuff in it. I love the black. You actually owned a black gas mega cab Ram.
Right.
Back in like 2017, I think, or 16.
Yeah.
So this kind of reminds me of that. And I love how it has a lift. It's lifted. It has bigger tires. But like with the F450, I could also lift that and put bigger tires on it and put the pipe on it, and then I would choose the F450. I would put like 37s on it. And, with this, I don't know, I would do big wheels with chrome. Wheels with chrome on this, where it's like hollowed out, you know, like your Ram, the wheels. You
Yeah.
know that? I would do that with chrome to go with the accents, and I would want like a 17 or 20-inch wheel. I would want them like big.
Stick out behind the fenders.
Yeah, and I would do like kind of a skinnier tire, but I would do 37s, and then that'd be really good. I'd love
Would
that.
you do steps?
No,
The rough country steps?
no, I think it already has 37s.
Yeah, what I'm saying, would you do the
No.
e-boards?
Well,
If you went higher, you'd even be higher to get in and out.
but this is 37s.
Okay.
I think. Like, to me, they're as big as your Raptors.
Well, have you looked at the tire size, the side of the tire?
No.
Okay.
But, steps, like, I do steps if, I don't know, I just think it looks really clean. Like, the steps look clean, but I think it's kind of, like, fun without the steps.
Oh, yeah. The truck addict. Wonder if she got that. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching Ice Age TV. Have a great evening. God bless, stay safe.